Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to update the Mega CNC if you have a Raspberry Pi running with My Image, which also has a service running on it. If you have the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, you can connect using PuTTY to it. So this is the default password once you install it. If you change it, make sure you remember the password that you set because you will need it to log into SSH. So as you see, I just wrote the image. That's blank. This is the version 1.02, and if we type history, I should see some of the past commands that have been written. So I'm going to stop the service. And refreshing the page should show a blank page. In the root folder you will see a file called mcc service update.sh. If you write this, this will go through the update process, pull the data from the GitHub and rebuild the entire application. Usually it takes about 5 minutes to accomplish this. I've had a client which had this image running on his Raspberry Pi, and he had a bad SD card because it was taking forever and it timed out. If this happens to you, try with a different card because it should not take too long to do the update. One thing to keep in mind is that you will need internet access on the Raspberry Pi when you do the update, otherwise it cannot pull the data from the GitHub. Alright, so you can see that it finished doing the update and the build. Now it's creating the commands, and the only thing that must be done after it's running is to update the database as well. You see that it applied the migrations. Alright, so the update was successful. It started the project after it finished the update. And that's all there is to it, guys. Feel free to do a reboot now. And that will restart the service as well, because after the update it's running the application, but it's not running through the service. Alright, so the service appears to be running fine now. And that's all there is to it, guys. You run the update, wait until it's finished, then reboot the machine and you're good to go. For those that don't want to run this on a Raspberry Pi, I'm going to create a VirtualBox image and add it on the website. You will be able to download the file and run it on your Windows VirtualBox instance, and that should make life simpler for more people. Once the virtual machine is started, the Mega CNC will run automatically. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I will see you around.